Well, my name is Matt Thomas. I'm from Connecticut, United States. I'm more formally known as Between Brain, that's the name of my company. Been doing web consultancy since the year 2000. Discovered the Joomla project in 2006, 2007, started getting involved in the Joomla community. I've since then joined the Joomla Bug Squad, where I became the automated test team leader and work on patches and bugs and that kind of fun stuff. I've also since then started development in January of 2009 of the Construct Template Development Framework, and I also am part of the Molajo Joomla, now the Joomla-based application, since we're going down a slightly different route. A lot of people are asking about what Construct does. The biggest thing is really more what Construct doesn't do, and that's what a lot of people are surprised about. Because Construct is a template development framework. It's really intended for developers and designers, people who are building one-of-a-kind custom Joomla templates. It's code-based. There are no WYSIWYGs. There are no custom interfaces. However, the simplest implementation is you need to write a few lines of CSS that represent your unique styles. Everything else is already taken care of by Construct. We're talking browser resets, typography sizing, layouts, logic. The base layout of the template is 40 module positions using HTML5 inspired semantic names. So everything is fairly intuitive, like header above, header below, column 1, 2, 3, 4. So you don't need a visual map to figure out where everything goes. And the way Construct works is that you can write that custom style sheet with just the unique styles and you're done. Or if you want to take it further, you can actually override the core layout and create a custom layout for the entire template globally. You can also override the layout on a category level, component level, menu item, and article level. So you can have alternate layouts of the same template dynamically loading on these different levels. You can also do the same thing with dynamically added custom style sheets. So on a category, component, menu item, article level, you can have varying styles automatically loading. Some other cool features of Construct is that it has built-in mobile device detection, and it will load a mobile version of the template. It has a mobile offline view. It all starts with a very basic CSS view with just the core essential page elements, and that is progressively enhanced with jQuery Mobile for modern devices. It also has tablet support. The detection script is written by a gentleman by the name of Anthony Hand from the Mobile ESP project, and it detects a whole variety of devices, not just your standard modern devices, but it detects a lot of the outliers. Google TV, Sony PlayStation, Nintendo Wii, a lot of the outliers, so they can all get the mobile view if you'd like them to. Basically, a lot of template developers and designers are using Construct because in the past they've used other frameworks and they find themselves kind of tearing them down. And so the difference with Construct is you build it up in your own personal direction, so it provides a foundation for development. It takes care of probably 90% of the general work you do every time with the template, so it leaves the fun stuff to you, the custom creative stuff. We're currently working on some HTML5 versions. One of the contributors, Babs Goshen, she's a Construct user. She's working on a version for MageBridge. Christina Solana is working with me on the HTML5 version. So we're trying to make these different versions, and everything is set up to where you can just drop a file in place and you're done. So it's pretty simple to use. I am overwhelmed and overjoyed to be a JAB 2011 Josker winner. I find it hard to believe that it's that caliber, that it could win in that category, but I'm just thoroughly honored. And I really have to thank the Joomla community for that, because it's the feedback I get from everybody that makes it what it is. It's my users, and it's the continual push from developers saying, we love the feature set, don't dare add another thing. So thank you very much, and you can find me online at Between Brain, on Twitter at Between Brain. Construct is available at joomlaengineering.com. It's also part of the Molajo Joomla-based application. The Molajo version of Construct is on GitHub, so feel free to fork it, do what you want, put in a pull request, collaborate. Upstream contributions are always welcome, and go from there. Thanks a lot.